a moment. Let's take a look at the closing bell on this Tuesday, September 8th, 2009. Let's take a look at the action today as the market settles in here. Those equity averages just off their best levels of the day here. Still an 0.8% gain on the S&P 500, coming in at 1025. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, also a gain up nearly 0.6%, 54 points higher on this Tuesday at 94.95. And the Nasdaq, similar trend here. You've got the Nasdaq near its highs of the day, up almost 19 points, up 0.9% at 2,037. All right, let's get a breakdown of what really drove markets today. Suzanne O'Halloran joining us once again from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. We've got Zara Burton tracking some of the gold and mining stocks. And still with us is our featured guest, Tom Lee, equity strategist at J.P. Morgan Chase. Suzanne, though, let's kick things off with you. You talked earlier about it being a broad-based rally today.
That's right, Carol. And one trader, Ben Willis of VMD Securities, is telling me that the market reacted relatively well to those consumer credit figures that were very negative. We got at 3 because it was a broad-based rally, and commodity stocks were a big support factor today. Of course, oil hitting $71 a barrel, back above that level. And then, of course, we had rally in gold touching that $1,000 level. So materials and energy stocks were your best performers in this market today. And just to give you an idea, the two biggest point contributors to the Dow Industrials were ExxonMobil and Chevron today. Together, the numbers are still settling, but they contributed over 23 points to the Dow Industrials today, which gained somewhere in the neighborhood of over 50 points or so. Secondly, a global recovery means that companies such as the industrials like General Electric should do well. We had J.P. Morgan saying, buy this stock. They turned positive on shares of General Electric today. This was one of the stronger performers in the broader market. They basically say this stock is the last of the low expectations plays. General Electric has not participated in the rally this year. The stock is down, even though the broader markets have seen significant gains since those March lows. They say a best-case scenario for General Electric, Carol, is we could reach the $20 level. Today, we closed at 14 and change. Carol?
Suzanne, got to ask you about the big deal news today. That is Kraft's $16.7 billion offer for Cadbury. What was the talk on the floor in terms of reaction to that one?
Well, deals are positive. It does show the economy is improving and companies are willing to put money to work. And, in fact, they may also be getting access to credit, so the credit markets may be thawing. In terms of that specific deal, we did have Kraft shares fall, but Cadbury shares soaring today, Carol. They did reject the offer. Many analysts think we may get more offers, perhaps, from names like Hershey for Cadbury.